Dumelang ko gae. Sanibonani emakhaya.
Kuyinkukhu yasekhaya ekseni ngibona ngikhapha intombazane.
Anyways, y'all, what's up? So today, like I'm about to go out now, so a friend of mine, dog. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make my bed, and then get ready to go to Cause I'm not even going far. It's not that far. Like it's after P14. I have Papalaza, but otherwise it's so ocha inyama or ocha. So yeah, hope you guys are gonna come with me, you know. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, dog. I hope you guys are at church, you know. Cause I don't like someone who doesn't go to church. Which means I don't like myself. That's crazy as hell. But otherwise, yeah, guys, for now, let me do my bed, nani. Leo uthi nifuna ukungibona sengipitches ama Colgate, sengigqokile, sengenza umbhede, ngiba ngqono ngishintsha impahla. I'm not gonna do that. Ngizongibona sengiqedile. Otherwise, angibuhle. Yo, bayakutshela, shisa babale.
Boom. Ayabonakela bese siqedile ukudla inyama. Benifuna usibona sidla inyama? Hayi nini. Hawu senifuna usibona amasihlafuna manje hayi. Futhi anazi nini ukuthi awudli phambi kwabantu abanikhuzanga emakini. Ngoba wathi abanye abantwana abanako lokho ukudla wena unako. Bizo uyahlafuna la. Hayi. Lana ke bese sehlisa la nani niyabona leyathu sehlisa inyama. Ha phela ngana 2 minutes. Land seka neyitori. Sitshela ngama-theory yabona bese kasitshela ngama-theory esingawazi banathi naye le theory akayazi mara ke usiprovele shame yaproveka.
I am listening.
Yeah, when I feel like shooting. Hey.
And then you see where
Hey, you mean you me? I could have called.
Now I'm wewe ndo nafanya. Usebenzile umfana.
I am Lihlane.
Yewena mlihlane.
Yewena.
lapho.
Hayithi.
Kodwa ngivini.
Ngoba sithi. Kusho kahle le yabona ukhulumeni. Ngitshela apha ngena.
Hayi sendleleni. Right. Ngiphezenza. Hayi ngala. Kuhle sosuka la la uyogibela nje. Ngithatha.
Hayi ngiyakutshela ngiyo ke graduate yenu ke le. Niyabona athi ngichazile ngale ithombe. Niyabona isancumanga kanje. Yabo kule frame yokuqala bekaqeda kubona i-ex yakhe idlula. Kule frame yesi2 uyasibuza ukuthi le ex yakhe imbonile na. Sathina masimtshela ukuthi imbonile. Akasajabulanga ke frame 3 uthi chocho ilayekile. Andithi iyo eyamshiya. Hey qonda baya bafana bami mantombazana azonibulala. Mntana abantu for sure uyagowa manje. Otherwise kayithi ke lapha nathi phela besingesisala intweni. Ngeke phela sihlale singashuthi negraduate ngoba nayi ngeke. Habu.
Okay, everybody take 5. I mean, 5.
Hey, what's up YouTube? We're back again with another video, and today it's another graduation day for Top Chi, a friend of mine. And yeah, bro, I just woke up and yeah, we're gonna be going to school today to see my friend graduate, you know what I'm saying? So you guys are coming with me, you know. Damn, I look fine as hell. Every time I wake up I look fine, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey shawty, like yeah, like okay, why is this nigga? That shit is crazy. Okay. Hey shawty. You see, I have that Questa voice, dog, like, hey shawty, hey, like, yeah, cool. So yeah, we're going to school. My friend is graduating at 2:30 and I'll go to school at 12. I'll start at second I have to do something there, and then I'll go straight to South after that to see my friend graduate. Yeah, we'll talk at school though, because I'll still vlog there. I don't have a page, I want to charge my phone. What's that saying? Emergency. Live vlog.
Away. Too much
situations. Abamphosho ngabelungu. Bamnika imfanelo zakhe abelungu. Bamnika imfanelo. Hey, what's up guys? Okay, we back again. Namhlanje kunjalo bafethu. Job ethona. This is what happens mona bangana bahlakaniphile. So okay, ngifuna i-lighting kahle. So into enzakalayo namhlanje still going kwenye vlog kwenye enye vlog yabo sengize ngikhathele ngikhuluma nezinto ezingekho. So even namhlanje ethola siya kwenye graduation ethola phela ngimnyama kanjani. Okay, otherwise even namhlanje siya kwenye graduation yabo entwana zami. Namhlanje ubani uzenande uzex uzene izinja no Topsy Glamour thobane ethola bagraduate manje ngo9 and mina sengilate to 10 manje. I-graduation ceremony abiqale ngo9 and manje qeda for sure 5:10. So ngilate bra bengeleza mfethu mvuka ekseni ngo6 ngageleza bamabhalansisa. because ngiyakena late ngathi yabona labantu abenza ama-plan ukugraduate babe happy bese basithembisa izinto but otherwise phansi khona mani ngangibona indlela engikhanga ngiyabhampa dog esababa ngibona belungu da for sure bazonqanya bayahleka kumasala so ngibashele mina otherwise ngiyabhampa esababa Simba mfethu and yeah man I'm vlogging dog ngiphule kanjani mfethu so calm dog angifuna ukugijima dog namhlanje yazi lento ngibambe ngesandla ngikhathaza athi ngibambe ngale stick sami ethola yena kumnandi kanjani egela zobelungu baphumile badlala icricket abanye bayajima mina kwesami ngabe kungena iperiod emates manje hayi bafuna ama homework hayi kuloza abantu abamnyama bra angomunye nasixakekisa ke manje uhamba nezinje endleleni lahamba khona abantu manje sekumele shift endleleni ngiyambona umngane wakhe hamba nezinje ezingaka bhaza ngazi ukuthi sihambe thina uzifaka umese lezi zinto zakhe hayi okay guys, yeah, back for my graduation and everything. Thank you so much for watching my videos and all that. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, dog. Try to give you all bangers, that's what. And the fact that I gave you all bangers and the fact that you guys don't want to subscribe, oh my gosh, it's so fine. If you all want to see her, subscribe and like the video.
Ke ungivumele ngisho ngithi ke ngiyayithatha indaba wenu ubusuku obuhle.